In today's video, we are going to showcase the train and gain program at Govind Steel by our service team. Our team recently visited Govind Steel to install Graco Mark X machine. Not only did our team provide a seamless installation, but they also trained the Govind Steel supervisors and users on how to use the Mark X machine. The training session covered safety procedure, proper operation, machine setup and maintenance techniques. We also ensured that they were comfortable using the machine. If you are looking for the same kind of service, please do contact us.